Listen, Frank's on to you. That's why Dee's internet shut down. He knows what you're doing.
Come on. Frank knows what we're doing?
Yes. And honestly, guys, you should be ashamed of yourselves. Really.
What? I'm not ashamed. I'm a little bit ashamed, but I think that's natural.
Well, look, here's the thing. Now Frank wants to start doing it too.
So what? So what? Let him do it.
Well, he wants me to do it with him. I assumed you two did that already.
Me too.
No. And now he wants us to do it with the Chinese guy across the street. So I knew you wouldn't be into that.
Well, no, I'm not into that. That's bizarre.
Exactly. I feel like I should be doing it with you guys. And come on, man.
This is getting weird and messy. I don't want to get you
Come on,
involved. There's too many
guys.
people. Just go do it with Frank.
Okay, well, is Dee in on it? Ew, God,
How would
no.
we-
That's why she's at the factory, to distract her. Come on, guys. It should be you and me, okay? I like cream pies as much as the next guy.
Oh, that's what they
Say it out loud. Okay. Let me make a cream pie for you, okay? Then you can try it. See what you think.
I do not want to taste your cream pie.
They taste great. I can guarantee it.
You've tasted yours?
Of course I have. Haven't you?
No. I've tasted mine. I didn't like it.
I've tasted mine, yeah.
I like mine.
Whatever, dude. If you don't care about the taste, fine. All right? But they're not just going to be for us anyway.
It's not... What?
We're going to sell them to everyone in Philly. Who the hell's going to want to buy them? Everyone's going to want to buy them. Everyone loves them, especially little kids.
Dude.
I love watching a kid do it.
And dude, you are going to get in a lot of trouble.
Hell no, dude. It's not like I'm going to do it without the parents' permission. I'll do it.
No parent is going to let you.
Parents are going to watch. They're going to be so psyched to see how happy their
You
kid
can't
is.
watch.
What are you
You gotta
talking
go
about?
overseas for that. That's
No, you don't. That's as American as it gets, guys. You gotta think about this as a business venture. All right, the three of us combining our ingredients, making like one gigantic, delicious cream pie. Some little kid's sucking it down and he's paying us for the pleasure.
Hang on a second. What kind of cream pie are you talking about?
What kind of cream pie are you talking about?
Cream pies. Everyone loves